The Icon at Brickell is one of the most prestigious buildings in the Brickell neighborhood, and even though it was built in 2008, it is still considered by many as one of the premier condos to live in. Of course, this prestige is going to come at a price tag because living at the Icon is definitely not cheap. Just how not cheap is it? Well, this one bedroom, one bath that we're touring today was just rented for $4,400 per month, and that is a lot of money, especially when you consider that 13 months ago, you can get this exact same layout for $3,400 per month. What's going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here, and welcome to another property tour episode. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. I bring you weekly Miami real estate property tour videos and information. So if you're interested in that type of content, then consider subscribing by clicking that notification bell and that subscribe button. And for those of you returning, please help the channel out by clicking that thumbs up button and liking this video. So what do you get for $4,400, you might be asking? Well, for one, prime location, as the Icon is located at the bridge entrance, which connects downtown Miami to Brickell. So you can easily walk to and from downtown, and not to mention all the things that Brickell has to offer. The second, and probably the most important, is the view. You get a stunning view from both the living room and this bedroom in this configuration. That alone may be worth the rent to some of you guys out there, but it doesn't end there because the Icon has some of the best amenities, completed with a thermal spa, which is reminiscent to the ancient Rome baths. And who can forget about its iconic pool, no pun intended, which just happens to be the largest residential swimming pool in the state. This unit in particular was also rented fully furnished, so that does add to the price tag, as unfurnished units tend to be a few $100s less per month. Now, we're going to get started with today's property tour, but I must warn you, if you've never seen the Icon, I've never been to the Icon, then it is a lot to take in at once. The design and the theme of the building that it's going for can be quite polarizing. Face statues, grandiose furniture pieces, and moody color palettes are just some of the things you're going to immediately run into, and some people either love this design or hate it. But that's exactly the point of what the Icon was trying to go for, to spark conversation and to push the envelope of what is considered sophistication. And for that, I tip my hat to the building for a job well done. And with all that being said, guys, let's get started with today's property tour. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it, so enjoy.
Drkt.